You've heard this story before. Every generation believes it stands at the edge of disaster. Every generation thinks, this time, it's different. Today, that fear has a name. Artificial intelligence. People say it will replace us, outthink us, erase what it means to be human. But fear like this is not new. It didn't begin with computers. It didn't begin with machines. It began the first time humans encountered something they did not yet understand. And history tells us something important. When we fear the unknown, we are usually not witnessing the end, but the beginning. Fear always comes first. Imagine a world ruled by darkness. Cold decided who survived. Night was an enemy. Then something impossible appeared, a glowing force that moved, consumed, changed everything it touched. Fire. To early humans, fire was terrifying. It looked alive, uncontrollable, dangerous. Many believed it would destroy balance, that it would poison the air, that it would bring catastrophe. Warnings spread, stories grew darker, fear became tradition. But a few stayed close enough to observe. They noticed something strange. Fire didn't only destroy, it protected, it warmed, it revealed. What we fear before understanding often becomes power once understood. Fire did not end humanity. It multiplied human potential. It extended the day, strengthened memory, accelerated learning. The danger was never fire itself. The real danger would have been turning away and letting fear decide the future. History does not whisper. It repeats. When new machines entered factories, people feared becoming useless. When electricity erased darkness, people feared instability and loss of control. When early computers appeared, people feared thinking itself would become obsolete. Every technological leap triggered the same reaction: panic, resistance, predictions of collapse. And yet, humanity endured every single time. Work did not disappear, it evolved. Skills did not vanish, they transformed. What changed was not human worth, but how that worth was expressed. The pattern is unmistakable. First comes fear, then backlash, then adaptation, then acceptance. Each generation believes its technology is too powerful, too fast, too dangerous. And each generation later wonders why anyone was afraid at all. We are calm about past technologies only because history already proved they did not destroy us. That perspective is a luxury only the future provides. This time feels different. AI doesn't roar, it doesn't arrive with smoke or fire. It answers questions, learns patterns, improves silently, and that silence unsettles us. Because AI reflects intelligence, and intelligence has always defined us. AI is not replacing humanity, it is reflecting it. AI learns from human data, human decisions, human values. Just like fire amplified strength, just like machines amplified labor, AI amplifies thinking, and amplification feels dangerous when we haven't decided what we want amplified. The fear is not consciousness, it is responsibility. AI forces humanity to be precise about what matters, and precision is uncomfortable for a species used to intuition. Fear is not foresight, it is instinct. We fear AI for the same reason others feared fire, machines, and electricity. We stand before the outcome, not after it. Past generations were not foolish. They were simply early. We are not wiser than history. We are just standing later in the timeline. AI does not erase humanity. It challenges us to define it. What should remain human? What should be automated? What values do we protect? These questions feel dangerous, not because AI is evil, but because avoidance is no longer possible. The lesson history teaches is simple. The unknown is not a warning. It is an invitation to grow. AI is not the end of thinking. It is a test of wisdom, and wisdom has always grown faster than fear when we choose understanding over panic. So, take a breath. The world has ended many times, only in imagination. What actually ended was uncertainty. AI is not humanity's downfall. It is simply the next tool waiting to be understood. History has already shown us how this story goes. Fear fades, understanding grows, humanity adapts. Again, the future does not belong to machines. It belongs to those who are willing to learn.